Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and as you can read from the title, I'll be showing you how I reinstall my lace frontal, and I hope that this is very informative for you guys because a lot of you guys don't know how to reinstall it because it's a little bit harder when all the lace is off. So when you take it off and you wash it and you just try to reinstall it, it's a little bit harder because there's not a lot of lace to hold to bring it down. So I'm going to show you how to reinstall your lace frontal at home. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to leave a comment, turn on your bell, turn on that red subscribe button because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and if you are new, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and turn on your bell. So anyways, I already put my stocking cap on because I didn't do a ball cap method because I'm going to take this wig off in 3 days. So I was like, what's the point of doing that? So yeah, my hair is already braided back and I just sleek it down. Anyways, this wig is from my hair company, prestigehumanhair.com. The link is always in the description box, and I already used this hair already about 4 times, and I want to show you how I reinstall it. So it's already customized and all of that good stuff already. Anyways, I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses in level 14. This is what I use to kind of get my lace to match my skin tone, and this is what I always use, and this is what's on my stocking cap. So next you're going to use your 91% alcohol. I already wiped my forehead off, but I'm showing you exactly what you will need to make sure that that glue stick onto your head. So those white dots, those are the dots that I use just to make sure that when I put the glue on, it does not like go over it. So this is just like a foundation. So this is the wig, and I'll show you guys inside. As you see, it is a 13 by 6, and the comb, it came with 4 comb, but I took the rest off. I just left 1 inside, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looked before I put that Ruby Kisses on. It did match me just a little teeny bit. As you can see, when I lay it down, you can see that the lace, it kind of matches me, but I want it to be a little bit more blended. So I'm gonna put that Ruby Kisses, and I'm just gonna measure it and make sure that it is fit perfectly. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to take the darkest shade, and I'm showing you where I'm going to put it right at the tip of that lace, right at the front, because you don't need to put it all the way in because the rest is not going to show. So that's the darkest shade into the Ruby Kisses, and then I'm going to take it onto the brush and just blend it in. Then I'm going to take my bedhead spray and spray where I put that foundation, because you have to make sure that the foundation seal in, because it is greasy and it's oily and it's not going to last long when you put it onto your forehead, because it has to be properly like sealed. So now that you see that it is completely matches me, when I put on my makeup and everything, you will definitely see how it look, as you saw in the intro. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure that all the hair is out of the way, and I already did that off camera. As you see that the hair is like combed back, so that's what I do. So make sure that when you're doing it, all that flyaway and all that hair is out the way. So yeah, pretty much I'm just making sure that it is completely into the center and it is not crooked. So for glue, I'll be using Ghost Bond, and I love this glue. I'm like mixture of Ghost Bond and Bolt Hole, but I kind of really like Ghost Bond more. I don't know why. Anyways, I'll be doing, and also you need your stick. I got this from the beauty supply store. I can't speak today, and I got like 10 or 20 in a pack, and it's real cheap. So I'm going to be using that. And as you see that I put the dot, and as you see that the glue is not over that red dot, so that's the reason why I put it, so that I don't go over it. And I will be putting 3 layers, and you have to make sure that it is completely clear before you put on the second layer. So I put the 3rd layer on, and then now you see that it's very, very, very clear. And be careful when you're putting that glue onto the lace. Do not put the lace right exactly on top. Go a little bit over that glue, because you don't want the glue to be showing, and then it's going to be a hot mess when it dry, and it's going to be sticky and pasty. So if you can, put it exactly onto the glue or a little bit over the glue, okay? And then just use your fingers and just tap it in. And if you have to go over it after it's done because the lace is not completely glued down, do that. But please make sure that you are exactly onto that glue or a little bit over. Then I'm going to use my blow dryer on cool, no, not cool, on hot, and just blow dry it down. So I'm gonna do the the other side, and I do row by row. Like I prefer to do this. It's more easier for me. So I'm gonna do this section, and then I'm gonna do 3 layers like the first part, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, glue it down. But it's pretty easy. Just watch me, you know, and just, you know, you'll be good. And also, if you're wondering if that glue is tearing out my hairline, no, I do have hairline. As you can see, my hairline is thin, but you definitely could see that I do have hair left on my hairline. It's not taking it out. I do have all the stuff to take the wig off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put 3 layers and then paste it on. Okay, I've been so goofy. I like to listen to, you know, my reggae music when I'm doing my hair or anytime when I'm doing my makeup. I like to listen to it because it just keep me cool and nice and just, you know, kumbaya shit. So I like to do that. So don't mind me. I'm being crazy. Anyways, yeah, so I did that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of move the hair out of the way again, and then I'm gonna take my time. Like, this is really crucial, guys. Like, make sure all them hairs, all them little baby flyaway hairs are out the way, and then just take your time and glue it down, and make sure that you go right exactly on top of that glue or a little bit over that glue, and then later on you could go ahead and just put a little bit more glue just to secure the ends. But as you see, I'm using my fingers and just tap tap tap. So yeah, pretty easy. At first it was hard for me, but keep on trying, trials and error, and you'll be fine. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and I'm definitely gonna wipe off that red spot. Don't worry about that. I just want to make sure that I am not over where I want my glue to be. Then I'm going to use my blow dryer and blow dry it on hot, you know, and then do the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the back of my hand, and I deliberately did not put glue right there at the side because I don't know what happened. It's always happened to me that every time I put the glue, it always like lift up afterwards. So I decided to leave a little part, a little section at the end to have no glue, and then when everything is glued down, I go back and put some more glue and just put it down just like that. So this part really helped me because I mean, if you guys out there and you're like, you know, fussing about the sides are not gluing down, I have that problem too. So this is the reason why I do it. I left a little bit of part down and then I just go back and put glue. So next I'm going to use my band and then tie it down. I'm going to go underneath the dryer for 20 minutes and then come back. After I'm back, I'm going to go ahead and take it off, and then as you see that it is well secure and well dry. I'm still going to do more work with it because I'm not done. So what I'm going to do is take my hair down, and as you can see that you can see the line on my hair, it's not like completely melted. And I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use some mousse and spray and, you know, all of that good stuff. So I'll be using this mousse, and this mousse is alcohol free. Make sure you use alcohol free. Like, you could use any mousse of your choice, but please make sure it is alcohol free. And the reason why I did not put the mousse like after, as soon as I secured the wig, is because your lace and also the glue is still wet. It's still wet. So the reason why I did that is because I don't want it to lift up. Some people do it and it doesn't lift up. I ain't doing that. So I make sure that it's completely dry, and that's the reason why I go underneath the dryer. Now I'm going to use my bedhead spray and just spray the lace, and this kind of melt the lace in. I don't know what's in that bedhead, but it melt the lace into my skin. Now I'm going to use that wrapping paper, and this is how it look. I got it from the beauty supply store, very cheap. I think it was like $3 or something like that. And I'm going to use that to tie it down, like use 2 strips, tie it down, and then I'm definitely going to go back under the dryer. But this time I'm going to go back under the dryer for 10 minutes. And then when I'm back, I'm going to show you how it looks. So just make sure that you kind of follow these steps. These steps work for me. Some people do it differently and it worked for them, but I try a lot of steps, and this one definitely works for me. Okay, so yeah. So now I'm going to take my blow dryer, and I'm being bougie. I need to get that big, you know, that big handed blow dryer, the one that stand up. But yeah, I got this one. It works. And I'm going to go under it for 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back. So now I'm back. I did my makeup. Looking so good. That video will be coming up very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Now I'm going to take that strip off, and then you're going to see how it look. And this is the way how it look, guys. This looks so good. But I'm gonna use my alcohol because, as you can see, one of the side is a little bit of white patches there, and that is the glue, guys. Like, that is the glue, so you got to make sure that you take it off. I'm going to tap a little bit of alcohol on it because the alcohol will definitely lift up your lace, so be careful. And just tap a little bit off wherever the white glue is on, and then you're going to go ahead and use your foundation. I'm using my foundation that I use for my face to do my face, and because I had on the strip, that part did not have any foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender just to blend it out properly. And this is how it look, guys. This looks so nice. Like, I cannot believe when I was looking in the mirror, I was like, damn, did I do that? And I'm not even a professional. But yeah, I did that. Okay, and you can do it too. Yep. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm not styling this hair, to be honest. I'm not. I was really feeling lazy, so I did not style the hair. Okay, so don't come for me. So I'm gonna use my comb and comb it out, and this is a wax stick. I got it from Amazon. And then I'm gonna take my wax stick and just, you know, lay down the flyaways and then comb it out. Then I'm gonna use my comb. This is a hot comb, you guys. Please make sure you get a hot comb. If you're gluing your wig down by yourself at home, please go on Amazon and order a hot comb. Okay, order a cheap ass hot comb. It all works the same, and do the same step that I use, and make sure you have your wax stick. So take your time with this, because I burned myself so many times. It's really hot. It's really hot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, comb out the flyaways with the hot comb and make sure everything is laid down properly. So now I'm going to go ahead and just comb it out, and as I said, I am not styling this here, but later on off camera I'm going to put those, you know, those soft wrapping thing to make it look good. I don't know what you call them, those things, I don't know, but those wrapping stuff to use to curl up your hair. But this is the hair, this is the natural wave to the hair. There's no products in this head, none. Okay, I wash it and I let it air dry, and this is the way how it look. This is a body wave here, and this is the natural wave. So yeah, but before I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and tap a little bit of bedhead again onto the forehead where the lace is. I just want to put it because I can see the lace a little bit. You know, I just don't want any white shadows. Anyways, yeah, I am all done, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell, because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, look at that lace. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh, I look so damn pretty. Like, oh, can I just be? Look at that. Okay, look at that. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys follow these steps, and yeah, stay tuned for more video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.